Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word onset. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The doctor informed me that the onset of the flu usually begins with a sore throat and fever. Onset refers to the beginning or start of something, particularly a symptom, condition, or event. It signifies the initial appearance or occurrence of a specific situation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.